Come, Emma. Come to mommy. Oh, you almost did it. Do it again. Come, Emmy. Come, Emmy. Ah! She did it. Come, Emma. Emma, come to mommy. Come to mommy. Oh.
It's okay, Robbie. It's okay. He needs to get in the bad attitude, so. No!
Emmy. Emmy Wemmy. Go to Claudia. Go to Claudia, Emma.
How?
No, you too close, Claudia.
You can't.
No, she didn't. You too close.
Oh.
Okay, move her back from the couch so she could go to her shoes. Okay. Stay like that. Right there. Emma, stop. Oh, man. Okay, you got her up? Emma, stop.
Wait.
Emma, stop it.
Stand up.
Don't yell at her. Emma, walk.